Like many other Americans, are you suffering from health problems with little or no money and no health insurance?
At the offices of Petrocelli, O'Donoghue, and Koslowski, we'll fight to get you the best medical care that our prison system has to offer.
Don't let the high cost of healthcare stop you from getting what is rightfully yours. We are experienced and aggressive lawyers who will zealously assist you in planning and carrying out a felony or serious misdemeanor that will ensure an adequate prison term that brings you the best medical treatment for your condition without the high cost to you or your family.
Our consultation is completely confidential and protected by law.
Other lawyers charge outrageous fees. For just $500, we'll represent you, but we will never defend you.
$500.
At Petrocelli, O'Donoghue, and Koslowski, we know how to win cases, which means we are also experts at losing them. To ensure a guilty verdict and a prison sentence that meets your medical needs, we'll vigorously mishandle your case by ignoring phone calls during discovery,
Refusing legitimate document requests,
Forgetting deadlines and appointments,
failing to depose witnesses and file pretrial motions,
disregarding important facts and key evidence,
using aggressive eye contact to intimidate state witnesses,
presenting ourselves in a slovenly, disheveled manner,
crying,
cooking food during sentencing.
We'll make our shameless and deliberate incompetence work for you.
In these tough economic times, most people can't afford $100,000 for quadruple bypass surgery, but you'll pay us just $500.
$500.
For thousands less than a typical insurance copayment for major surgery, we'll take all the steps necessary to get you the prison health care you need to survive, manage your short-term or long-term illness, and feel well again.
In the past, we have zealously represented our clients to get them prison sentences with the best medical care for knee, hip, or ankle replacement or reconstruction,
enlarged prostate,
Titanium dental implants,
narcolepsy, sleep apnea, and other such disorders,
restless leg syndrome,
acid reflux,
parasitic twin removal,
fibromyalgia with chronic myofascial pain,
septo-optic dysplasia and other pituitary disorders,
amputation for infected malodorous limbs,
complete thoracic cavity transplant,
undescended third testicle and or lobotomy,
reconstructive skin flaps for necrotizing fasciitis,
stable, unstable, or variant angina,
fecal incontinence and bladder prolapse,
river blindness, toxoplasmosis, whipworms, and other parasitic diseases.
And for the added protection of just $1,500,
$1,500.
you'll receive an unconditional money-back guarantee that allows you to change your mind for any reason.
If you decide that you no longer want or need free state-provided medical care in prison, we'll petition the court for a mistrial under state and or federal post-conviction relief laws, recommend ourselves for disbarment, and sue ourselves for fraud in civil court on your behalf.
We'll make the strongest case possible that none of us are fit to practice law in any state.
We know better than anyone else how to convince the court that our own assistance of counsel was completely ineffective and that we undermined the truth-determining process so thoroughly that a fair judgment of guilt or innocence could not possibly have happened.
If you do the crime, we'll honor your right to health care by getting you the time. At Petrocelli, O'Donoghue, and Koslowski, we know what's most important.
It's the results that count.
Pick up the phone and call the law offices of Petrocelli, O'Donoghue, and Koslowski for your free legal consultation today.